All right, last piece. Memory. The agent can save things about you and pull them into every future task. Let's give it a real preference that's going to shape how this research workflow actually works for you. You can tell your bot whatever you want about you. But for me, here's what I'll say. Remember that I make YouTube tutorial videos about software, mostly for complete beginners. When you analyze gaps in competitor research, frame them in terms of what would help a complete beginner specifically. We'll go ahead and send that, and it confirms that it saved that preference. Now, let's check its memory. Let's send it, "What do you remember about me?" And the agent will reply with what it has stored, including the niche description. It says that I'm Matt, I make YouTube videos. It needs to frame the competitor gap analysis around beginner-specific needs. And it even goes on to include details about the fact that this is Hermes Agent running on a hosting or VPS. We're using Telegram, etc., etc. So now that preference is saved for every future conversation. The next time the agent does this research, it'll already know the additional context you provided. In my case, it'll know who I make videos for, and the gap analysis will be framed around what beginners need. The longer you have Hermes, the more of this it builds up, the more context, the more knowledge, and the less you have to repeat yourself.